Welcome in friends to the unboxing of new Samsung S24 Ultra AI Assisted. Assisted by Google Cloud-based AI, Samsung hardware-based AI, it's very functional for phone-based photo editing, translating, text suggestions, which provides different ways to construct your message. Retail price, Philippine currency, 92,990, 1 terabyte. Colors available, there are 7 different colors: yellow, violet, black, gray, and 3 exclusive colors: orange, blue, and green. Storage, 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, and 1 terabytes available in the market. RAM, 12 gigabytes. Free storage upgrade is offered if you pre-order now until February 6, 2024. Upon pre-ordering, we have been lucky to avail the freebie Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. As you can see, the packaging is very minimal and simple. At the back, it is written that you should not accept the item if the seal is broken. The box contains user manual, SIM injection tool, USB Type-C to Type-C cable. The specs of the camera is 50 megapixel, 5x optical zoom, ultra-wide lens, 12 megapixel, standard lens, 200 megapixel, 3x optical zoom, 5x optical 50 megapixel, 10x digital 50 megapixel. The screen display is 6.8-inch wide, thinner bezels, and smaller front camera hole. So now, we will turn on and set up the Samsung S24 Ultra AI. As you can see, this is the power button and the volume button. There are still 3 camera lenses, but with better optical zoom. The microphone is located on top, and you can access your S Pen on the lower left. The S Pen has the same color with the bezel. We have the S Pen, the speaker, the Type-C charging port, and the dual SIM port. This phone is non-expandable. As you can see, we have a flat display including the edges. The resolution is 1440p by 3120 pixel. 120 Hz AMOLED 2X display, 19.5 by 9 ratio. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Armor.
Advanced intelligence the most out of your phone with these powerful features. Phone, get real-time translation during voice calls. Samsung keyboard, change the tone of your writing. Get spelling and grammar suggestions and translate messages in select chat and text messaging apps. Interpreter, live translation of spoken conversations available as voice or text output. Samsung Notes, automatically format, summarize, correct, translate, and generate covers for your notes. Voice recorder, transform recordings into text, transcripts, and summaries you can review and translate. Samsung Internet, get simple summaries of web page text along with full translation. Photo editor, reimagine images by moving, removing, or resizing the people and objects in them, then generating new background to fill in any missing pieces. Next. Agree. Choose your light display. Next. You're all set up. Finish.
S Pen is now much more functional. You can circle the picture and it will automatically search for it. There is a new navigation bar which is easy to swipe for multitasking, and Google Search Launch is easily accessible upon long press.
Less reflective, as you can see. Less reflective ang screen put it to the side. To the side. And as you can see, smaller vessels. Here's camera is 200 ml.